Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about pivoting and unpivoting. So let's say you've got data in a row format. So you've got calendar year and you've got total sales amount as shown in this table. And when you convert it into this format where all the values in the calendar year become column headers, and then there is the corresponding value that is known as pivoting. So when you go convert from rows to columns, so you can see there's only one row here, but there are multiple columns. That's known as pivoting. But when you've got multiple columns and you convert those columns into rows, so let's say I go from here to here, so I've got calendar year. So all the headers have been converted as data and the values are a separate column. So in that case, that's unpivoting the data. So let's try doing that in Power BI as well. So I've got this Power BI query file open here with me. And if I go here and hit the transform data tab, it will open the Power Query editor for me. So I already have the Power Query editor open and we'll start from there. So you can see I've got data in a format where I've got the calendar year and I've got the total sales amount. So let's say I want to pivot the data, which essentially means I'll go from rows and convert it into columns. So I'll select this column, calendar year, and go and hit pivot column. And what it will do is, so the values column is total sales amount and that's what I wanted, and I'll hit OK. And you can see that the values in the first row have become column headers. And then the corresponding values are underneath. So now how do we, from here, how do we unpivot the data? Which essentially means we convert from column headers into values. So we'll select all the column headers. So with that selected, we'll go and click unpivot columns. And you can see it has converted the header into one column and the values in another. And what I'll do is I'll just go here and call this year. And so essentially what I've done is I've unpivoted the data. So let's just to recap, you've got a data set which is in rows and you want to convert it into a pivot. So what you do is you select one column that you want to pivot off and then you just hit the pivot column, and what it does is it converts the values into column headers. And let's say you want to convert the values in the column headers into data and you go in the reverse direction. So you've got all these columns, you convert them into rows. So if you unpivot the data. So I've got all these years which were column headers in the previous step and the corresponding values. And then essentially I just renamed the value attribute to year. So in this video, just to recap, we've covered pivoting of data, we've covered unpivoting of data. And an easy way to think about it is when I've got rows and I convert from rows to columns, it is pivoting. And when I convert from columns to rows, it is unpivoting. So I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.